Yeah, dear student, excuse me, dear students. Today I am going to explain three-dimensional geometry part 1. Around 18 questions I am going to explain today. In the next session, I will explain another 15 to 20 questions. It covers all the models. Definitely you can answer the term 2 questions, no doubt in that. I am going to cover all the important questions. Try to attend regularly. I am going to cover all the important questions. Now, one after one I will discuss. It covers the basics and all the levels also. All the models I am going to cover. Now see that in all the given questions, one after one I will discuss. See the first one now. So question number 1. Find the direction coordinates of a line which makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. Find the direction coordinates of a line which makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. But we know that direction cosines, if we consider direction cosines, I can write is direction cosines L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. We know this direction cosines, right? I have taken this direction cosines. But with the given alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. It would because the given cosines of which makes equal angles. That means that here the meaning is the given alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. We know that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Right, we know the L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Then I can consider this. Since if I take this, you can see now when I have taken this one, L square plus N square plus N square is equal to 1. But then L is equal, because when alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, automatically I can write L is equal to M is equal to N. Since this one I can write now L square plus L square plus L square is equal to 1. Now what can 3L square is equal to 1. You can verify here. I got 3L square is equal to 1. Then L square is equal to 1 by 3. And plus L is equal to, you get plus or minus 1 by root 3. It comes right. You will get V same L is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Correct, I can write L equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. So because they get equal angles, the direction cosines are element both are same now. So I can therefore the direction cosines are L is equal to M is equal to N is equal to which is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Correct, we can consider like this with the coordinate axis. The direction cosines we have got it this right. Alpha, beta, gamma. So directly also can write which makes equal angles 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. I can consider. Direction all negative say equal I can write direction cosines I can consider directly 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3 because all equal angles, right? Or I can minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by root 3. So these are direction cosines I can write since they are all equal angles. Right, a simple one, we can write this one. This is a very simple one. Alright, now coming to this another one you can see now. If a line makes angles, if a line makes angles 90 degrees, 135, 45 with x, y and z axis respectively, find its direction cosines. Makes the angles means I can write here L equal to cos alpha, L equal to cos, because they are given here alpha equal to 90 degrees, beta is equal to 135 degrees and gamma is equal to 45 degrees. L equal to cos alpha. So you will get cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 will be 0. M is equal to cos beta. So I can write cos 135 degrees. cos 1 minus cos 45 degrees. How? 180 minus 45 minus 1 by root 2. N is equal to cos gamma. It will be cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Therefore, the required direction cosines will be 0, comma, minus 1 by root 2, comma, 1 by root 2. I can write the required direction cosines. I can write the direction cosines are direction cosines are 0, comma, minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. So these are the direction cosines. Sometimes they will give two angles, they will ask to find other angle. Use concept of L square plus N square plus N square is equal to 1. We can find other angle also. Coming to the find direction cosines of the line. See the third problem now. Find the direction cosines of the line. Yes. Yeah, and Tanishk, I think you are attending the class. Any doubt you have, you can ask me. I can repeat that. Find the direction cosines of the line x minus 1 by 2 equal to minus y equal to z plus 1 by 2. Generally, if the line equation standard form x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c means this line passing through x1 by 1 z1 having direction ratios ABC. Having direction ABC. Because direction ratio is proportional to direction cosines. They are giving this one. So first what I will do now, this one I can write. Given line equation, write the standard form. I can write the given line equation we can write x minus 1 by 2. This is equal to this one. Minus 1 I can write y by minus 1. Z plus 1 means z minus of minus 1 by 2 I can write. That means this line, you can see here, I have written like this. This line passing through, observe, passing through 1, 0, because I can write this is y minus 0. To understand, I am saying this one. I'll do the changes here. Standard form. That means the point passing through 1, 0, minus 1 having dr's 2 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, dr's 2 minus 1, 2. They are asking direction cosines. So that means I can write dr's here, ABC. We consider ABC, which is equal to 2 minus 1, 2. I can find direction cosines. So the direct element a by root of a square plus b square plus c square. You find root of a square plus b square plus c square. Root of 4 plus 1 plus 4, root 9. It will be 3. Now the direction cosines I can write. The direction cosines of this line. Find the direction cosines of the line. I can consider direction cosines. A by root of a square plus b square plus c square. A by root of a square plus b square plus c square. B by root of a square plus b square plus c square. C by root of a square plus b square plus c square I can consider. Correct. Now you can write 2 by root 3, which is equal to I can conclude that 2 by root 3 minus 1 by, sorry, not root 3, 2 by 3 only, right? Should be careful. See, I should be careful here. By mistake I told 2 by root 3, but answer we got 3 only. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, and I will get 2 by 3. Direction cosines. We get like this. Even if we multiply the negative also, we get one more set to the opposite, but the same thing. These are the direction cosines. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. That's all. Simple only direction cosines. Passing through which point, if they ask 1, 0, minus 1. I hope you understood. Is it clear? Anyone out doubt? Fine. Yes, Yuvraj. If you have doubt, you can ask me in between if any doubt. The problem morning what you asked us, I will send you Yuvraj today. I have done that, I will send you that. Now you can see here. Coming to the fourth one now. A line through the point with position vector. The given line pass through the point with position vector and makes angles 60, 120, 45 with xyz respectively. Find the equation of the line in Cartesian form. Find the equation in Cartesian form. So they're given here. They're asking passes through the point. The point is 2 minus 1, 4. That means given point is 2 minus 1, 4. So we have x1, y1, z1. This passing through the point. Where this point will be, this is a vector 2 minus 3, 4. Taking the vector, there is a point x1, y1, z1. I have written this is y1, x1, y1, z1. I have written here. Right. Just you can careful here. X1, y1, z1 is the point. And makes angles means using this I can find direction cosines of the line. So we can find L is equal to cos 60 degrees. So if I am taking cos 60 degrees, I can find this value, so cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. I can write this right. 1 by 2. M is equal to cos 120 degrees. Cos 120 minus 1 by 2. N is equal to cos 45 degrees. 1 by root 2. These are the direction cosines. So direction ratios are proportional to direction cosines. To write equation of the line, we know element. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So now the required line I can write. Because direction ratio proportional to direction cosines. Now equation of line is, I can write equation of line is, we know the formula x minus x1 by, here I am writing direction cosine directly. Generally proportional to this, right? We have this one equation. By this one. But direction ratios are proportional to direction cosines. So I can write x minus the point, we know that the point is given, right? We can conclude that passing through this point means I can write now the point, I can write x minus 2 by 1 by 2 and y minus y plus 3 by minus 1 by 2 and I can write z minus 4 by 1 by root 2. Then you can make it, this one will become 2x minus 4 equal to, you take it up here, minus 2y minus 6, which is good root 2 into z minus 4. So this is the equation of the required line. Excuse me. This is the equation of the required line. You can write like this. That's simple thing. Equation, the written equation of line is equation of line is I have written this the formula, replace the value, so we get the answer. Right, I hope you understood this right. Up to question number 4, any doubt you have, you can ask me. Up to question number 4, do any doubt you can ask me, I can explain again. Now you can see now when I am doing this, is clear. Yes, fine Tanish, good. Question number 5. Find the coordinates of the point in where the line cuts the xy plane. They are asking find the coordinates of the point where the line cuts the xy plane. When the line cuts the xy plane, z coordinate will be 0, correct, in the xy plane. They are asking where the coordinate point where the line cuts the xy plane. So in the xy plane, z will be 0. Remember, in the xy plane, always remember, in the xy plane, z will be 0. Correct. Now if you consider, because they are asking the point in the xy plane, z will be 0. Replace z will be 0. Then you will get x plus 3 by 3. You will get y minus 1 by minus 1. Equal to z will be 0 means you will get minus 5 by minus 5. So it comes x plus, you will get, this implies x plus 3 by 3, y minus 1 by minus 1, which is equal to 1 it comes. If you do the cross multiplication, what is, you can find now x plus 3 by 3 is equal to 1. X plus 3 by 3 is equal to 1. And y minus 1 by minus 1 is equal to 1. It will be x is equal to 0. And from this, what is y minus 1 plus that is also 0. But already we know that z0, x0 and y0. Therefore, the required point is equal to 0, 0, 0. Required point is equal to, I can write, required point is equal to required point equal to 0, 0, 0. See that, just I can write here this is the required point 0, 0. Required point equal to 0, 0, 0. Yeah. You can see now, this is the thing I explained here. I hope you understood this. If you have doubt, you can ask me now. Right. Here, one of my friend read about physics also is one of the faculty. Physics is a very good faculty. He has his he has his own channel is there, Redappa Physics, Redappa Info. You can also, you'll get information about many things in that. Find them. Now coming to this, a line passes through the point with position vector 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, and in the direction of the vector, find the equation of the line in Cartesian form. Find in the Cartesian form. Right. You can see now, when they are asking this, a line passes through the point with position vector 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, and in the direction of the vector. In the direction of the vector means use the direction ratios of this vector. Find the equation of the line in Cartesian form. Sometimes they may ask to find in vector form also. Both we can find here, but they are asking only Cartesian. With the position vector, this one. So with position vector means I can take the point. What the point required, x1 comma y1 comma z1 equal to, the point will be 2 minus 1 4. There is the point 2 minus 1 4, because position vector this. Position vector this. In the direction of the vector. In the direction of the vector means direction cosines. I can consider the direction cosines ABC. So they are given ABC. For the direction cosines I have written here, the direction 1, 1, comma minus 2. These are the direction cosines. So direction ratios ABC. Equation in Cartesian form. When they are asking Cartesian form, equation of line in Cartesian form is equation of line in Cartesian form is we know that x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. Now you can use this. This is x minus x1. So x minus 2 by 1 equal to, I can write y plus 1 by 1 z plus 2 by the points are, you should not get, this is written x minus 2 by 1 and y plus 1 by 1 z minus 4 this one. You can write, be careful here, z minus 4 by minus 2. So I got, this is the equation of the Cartesian form. Suppose in this problem they didn't ask, if they ask vector form. What is vector form generally? You remember vector form. If they ask vector form, this is when they are asking vector form. Remember, if they ask vector form, see here, if they ask vector form, sometimes vector form also they will ask. What is vector form? R bar equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar. In this case, R bar equal to, they didn't ask here. You can write the vector like 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda into I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, because passing x1 y1 z1 and lambda into in the direction of the vector I cap j cap minus 2k cap. We can do like this. Here they didn't ask, but I'm telling about this one. We can do like this vector form. This vector form. That's all. This is lambda into. But here only they are asking here Cartesian form. Because you should be familiar with all the forms, right? Anyone they can ask. 2 marks they can ask, both the forms they can ask. Now see the 7th one. And find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through the point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the line x plus 3 by 3 equal to 4 minus by 5 equal to z plus 8 by 6. Also find vector equation. They are asking Cartesian vector, both they are asking. Passing through the point is given. So we know that x1, y1, z1 is given. This point is x1, y1, z1 is given, which is equal to minus 2, 4, minus 5. The point is given, right? Minus 2, 4, minus 5 is given. Correct. Just you remember. The point, be careful to write. Minus 2, 4, minus 5. They are given the point. This is given point. Right. This is a given point. But parallel to the line means automatically the required line and the given line have parallel means same direction ratios. Direction should be same. What is the direction ratio? But you should write in the standard form. Explain the standard form. This equation x plus 3 by 3, but this 4 minus 5. Write the standard, take minus common. If you take minus common, can you write this y minus 4 by minus 5 equal to z plus 8 by 6. So here direction ratios are ABC equal to 3 minus 5, 6. This is the direction ratio, 3 minus 5, 6. Then the required Cartesian equation is, they are asking Cartesian equation. So the required, because we know direction because both are same now. X1, Y1, this one ABC. Here also you can consider ABC is same for this required line. It will be 3 minus 5, 6 because both are parallel. Therefore, Cartesian equation of line will be, again write therefore, Cartesian equation of the line is, again Cartesian equation of the line is x minus x1 by, I can use the formula now, x minus x1 by, that means I can use x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. Then I can write your answer now. This is x1 is minus 2. So your answer x plus 2 by a means 3. I can write y minus 4 by minus 5 equal to z minus z1 z plus 5 by c means 6. So like this is the required one. X plus 2 by 3 equal y minus 4 by minus 5 equal z plus 5 by 6. I'm doing all basic questions to understand the concept. Little higher level questions I can do. The next session I can do that. So at least if we thorough these questions, the second section will be easy to follow. So up to 7, any doubt you have, you can ask me. Up to 7, my dears, any doubt you have up to 7? Z minus 4. Okay, the previous problem you are asking, I think I will go through that. Yes, Tanishq, 1 minute. The previous one. Yes, yes, I have written correct only, Tanishq. You can check that I have written z minus 4 only. Z minus 4, correct. What you told, that is correct. Z minus 4, I have written the same thing. You can verify. Question number 8th one, most important model is the given if the lines are perpendicular to each other, then find the value of P. Are perpendicular to each other, then the value of P. Yes, fine, good. Oh, then fine, okay. Now you can see the given x minus 1 by minus 2 y minus 4 by 3p equal to z minus 3 by 4, and another one, the given are both are perpendicular to each other, then find the value of p. When the perpendicular find the value of p means, here I can write from the given line, we can write all the direction cosines I can write. Given line, this is standard form, they given both are standard form is given. So for the first line, I can write direction ratios a1, b1, c1 I can write. So which is equal to minus 2 and 3p and 4. You can check that before standard form is given. Correct. Now I can go for the second line a2, b2, c2. If we take the second line, I can consider 4p, 2 and minus 7. I have taken like this. Correct. Since when two lines are perpendicular, we have the property, when two lines are perpendicular, we have the property, right? Since lines are perpendicular, we have property a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equal to 0. Or we can write L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 equal to 0. Both ways you can use this. If you use this property, you can use now minus 2 into you will get multiply minus 8p, there will be 6p minus 28 equal to 0. So you will get now, I can simplify, minus 2p is equal to 28 and p is equal to minus 14. So that will be our required answer. And now two lines are perpendicular, you can use a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equal to 0 in the case of direction ratios. In the case of direction cosines, L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 equal to 0 we can use. Important one. Next one. Find the distance between the planes. They are given two planes, they are asking distance between these two planes. I think I preferable what I do, we can convert into Cartesian form, then you can use the formula to simplify this. That will be easy to convert to Cartesian form. Yeah, understood, Tanishq, no problem, understood that. Fine, yeah. Okay, only I am observing the messages in the within less than 1 minute, we can observe that. I think, okay, fine now. find the distance between the planes they given. So what can I can do here? My suggestion is I can write in Cartesian form, then easily to do that. If we write Cartesian form of both the planes, then I can apply the formula. See, this is the distance between the plane. What is the Cartesian of the first plane? I can write xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot 2I cap minus 3j cap plus 6k cap minus 4 equal to 0. If I write this, it will become now 2x dot product. Apply dot product. Apply dot correct. You apply the dot product. Apply dot product. So what is the result? It comes, if I apply the dot product, it comes 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 4 equal to 0. So this is one of the equation, of the plane. Take another one. Similarly, you take another one. If you take another one, you can see if I apply same thing, you find that, like I can write xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. I can write dot of the dot product of 6i cap minus 9j cap plus 18k cap minus 30 equal to 0. Apply dot product, it will be 6x minus 9y plus 18z minus 30 equal to 0. But when they are asking distance between the planes, means check that these two planes are parallel. Then only easy to find the distance, right? Because you, to make ABC direction ratio should be equal, to observe this, just you divide entire equation by 3. Then divide with the 2x, 3y, 6z minus 10 equal to 0. Equation 2. You can see both planes have same direction ratios. Both are parallel planes. The planes are parallel. Since the planes are, we know that how to find distance between them. I can write here. So in this, the first equation, the constant I can write d1 equal to minus 4. Here in this equation I can write d2 equal to minus 10. Right, d1 minus 4, d2 minus 10. Why? Because in both the equations, a value 2, b value minus 3 and c value 6. These are the same, both having planes. Since both planes are parallel, a is 2, b is minus 3, c is equal to 6 and d1, d2. Distance between parallel planes is equal, I can write distance between parallel planes is equal to, we can write directly, we can write distance between them. That will be easy to solve that, right? I can write distance between the planes equal to distance between the planes mod d1 minus d2 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So I can write d1 minus d2. So minus 4 I can write is the formula, right? You can see here when I have taken, should be careful when I have written the equations. The plane equation, I think plus 30. I have written this is plus 30. So plus 10. So d2 will become plus 10. Be careful. It will be plus 10, correct? Should be careful when written the values. That will be plus 4. Correct? Plus 30 minus 4. If I apply d1 minus d2, so it will become 14 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. You will get 4 plus 9 plus 36. So it will be 14 by root 49 7. It will be 2. Correct? It comes 2 here. 2 units I can write. Distance between the planes is equal to 2 units. Correct? I will get answer. We got 2 units. So we understood this. We got 2 units. Because here I have done 2 ways. I have converted it into Cartesian form. Then I applied the formula. Before applying the formula, distance between the meaning here, distance between the planes I have written, distance between the planes distance between the planes equal to, so they are not able to understand the handwriting. Distance between the planes equal to mod d1 minus d2 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Substitute the values. It comes the required answer. But you should make sure both the equations have same direction ratios. Correct. Now, write the equation of a plane up to question number 9. I hope it's clear, right? Up to question number 9, I hope it's clear. Right. Now I'm going to explain the question number 10. The question number 10, you can see now question number 10. Write the equation of a plane which is at a distance of 5 root 3 units from origin and the normal to which is equally inclined to the coordinate axis. Equally inclined to the coordinate axis. When it is equally inclined to the coordinate axis means the meaning which is equally inclined to the coordinate axis means we know L is equal to M is equal to N. The meaning L is equal to M is equal to N. Correct. So always we will get the values here. Normal to be equally inclined to coordinate axis means the direction you can consider here. L is equal to M is equal to N. Using we know that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. You will get 3L square is equal to 1. L square is equal to 1 by 3. L equal to plus or minus comes even if I consider any 1 by root 3 or plus or minus 1 by root 3. All are equal. Suppose here I can consider one side of the equation. L is equal to M is equal to N is equal to 1 by root 3. Since all are equal, right? If I take this, the direction, what is the required equation of the plane will be, because the given distance, we know that here if we know equally inclined and the distance from origin P is given 5 root 3. The given P is equal to 5 root 3. So the required equation of plane is required equation of plane. See, the required equation of plane is, this is the required equation of plane. Required equation of plane is, I can write here, this is Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P. Now replace these values. 1 by root 3x plus 1 by root 3y plus 1 by root 3z equal to 5 root 3. If we do the cross multiplication, I can write x plus y plus z. If we take it x plus y plus z, you can consider now the final answer. I can write x plus y plus z equal to 5 root 3 into 3, it will be 15, right? X plus y plus z is equal to 15. That will be your answer. That's the required equation of the plane. At a distance 5 root 3 units from origin and the normal to which is equal inclined to coordinate axis. The simple one. Try to understand the concept. Now the 11th one. Look at the 11th problem now. Let Li, Mi, Ni, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3, be the direction cosines of 3 mutually perpendicular vectors, perpendicular vector in space. Show that A into A, they written A into A transpose is equal to L, they are given I cube. That A into A transpose is equal to I cube, they are saying here. A into A transpose. So the given here direction cosines of 3 mutually perpendicular. Since mutually perpendicular means you remember. What can I observe here? I can write L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square is equal to 1. We'll observe this one. L1 M1 square. Similarly, I can write L2 square M2 square N2 square is equal to 1. Because L1 L2 mutually perpendicular, they given this one. All this given here. direction cosines. Similarly, m3 square I can write L3 square plus m3 square plus n3 square is equal to 1, and also I can also write L1 L2 because mutually perpendicular. L1 L2 plus m1 m2 plus n1 n2 is equal to, it comes 0, right? L1 L2 plus m plus n1 n2 equal to 0, it comes, correct? All the combinations I can write here. L1 L2 plus m1 and n1 n2 equal to 0. All the conditions you'll get like this, combination it comes like this. Same thing, since L1 L2. I can also write L2 L3 plus m2 m3 plus n2 n3 equal to 0, mutually perpendicular. Again I can write L1 L3 m1 m3 n1 n3 equal to 0. Since mutually perpendicular. Here direction cosines, always this property we can write. Or since all the L1 M1 are direction cosines, L2 M2 N2 are direction cosines. So after knowing this one, now you take A into A complement. If you multiply A into A complement, you can check that when they are asking multiply A into A complement. A into A complement equal to, here the matrix L1 M1 N1 L2 M2 N2. This is L3 M3 N3. Be careful here when I have written this one. L1 L2 L3. I can write this one. Okay. M1, M2, M3, N1, N2, N3. It transpose of this. Change rows into columns. You will get L1, L2, L3, M1, M2, M3, N1, N2, N3. Multiply A into A transpose. If you multiply this, now you can see here, matrix multiplication. It comes now here, if you multiply, it will come L1 square, you get M1 square plus N1 square. First we will get L1 square, M1 square plus N1 square. This one you will get. If we go like this, correct, I have multiplied this one L1 L2, M1 M2, see here, be careful when writing this one, the product, just multiply, that's all. You multiply this one, L1 L2, M1 M2 plus N1 N2. This one, L1 L3 plus M1 M3 plus N1 N3. N1 N3. Multiply this again. If you multiply this one, L2 L1 plus M2 L2 L1, because L2 L1 M2 M1 N2 N1, first element, first column. Again L2, you will get this one, L2 square plus M2 square plus N2 square. Now L1 L3, you can see here when I have taken this one, L2 L3, the combination L2 L3, correct, M2 M3 and N2 N3. Now third row with first column, L3 L1, this matrix multiplication, M3 M1, N3 N1, and this one L3 L2, M3 M2, N3 N2. The last one will be, just observe here, just multiplication of matrices. The last will be L3 square plus M3 square plus N3 square. I can complete the matrix. Then according to the above values, you will get this one, 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. So this is I. They are asking to prove this only. They are asking the A and A dash is equal to I. They are asking I3. There is an I cube, but that will be order of 3, I3 only. That they should write I3 this one. You can write this will be I3. Third order I can write this is I3. In the question they mentioned I cube, that was a mistake here. They are asking I3 only. This is not I cube here. I3 should prove I3. I hope I understood this one right. Can I do now 12th one? Shall I do 12th one? Yes. Yes, I think I hope you understood this. Shall I do 12th one now? The 12th one, another 5 problems, it takes 15-20 minutes. And then fine. See the 12th one now. Find the vector equation of the line passing through the point and parallel to the line. Passing through the point means we know that. Passing through x1, y1, we know that. x1, y1, z1, which is equal to 1, 2, minus 1. And the line parallel to this line. From this line I can find direction ratios. So the given line is 5x minus 25. 5 into x minus 5 equal to, I can take minus 7 common, minus 7 into y minus 2, which is equal to 35z. So this one can I rearrange like this, x minus 5 by line equation, x minus 5 by 1 by 5 and y minus 2 by minus 1 by 7. I can write z minus 0 by 1 by 35. I can express like this, 1 by 35, right? If you write like this, you can say this is the equation, given equation. But the required line parallel to this. Parallel, that means what are these are the 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7, 1 by 35 direction ratios. So I can write A comma B comma C equal to 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7, 1 by 35. Even you multiply 35 each one will get, I can also write this one, correct, 7 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 5, 1 also can express right, because the direction ratios, because passing through this point, and these are the DRs parallel to this. Equation of required line is, you can write equation of required line is generally you write R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar, where lambda is a scalar. Because this is the vector equation. So I can write R bar equal to A bar means this is the given vector I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. This is because they are asking vector equation, plus lambda into B bar means I can write 7i cap minus 5j cap plus k cap. Sometimes they will ask Cartesian form also. Cartesian means x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. You can also write Cartesian equation. So this is vector form. So we understood this. Now coming to the 13th one. Now I am going to explain 13th one now. I hope you understood up to question number 12 is clear, I think. Now I am going to explain question number 13. So find the equation of the plane with intercept 3 on the y-axis and parallel to zx plane. Parallel to zx plane. The given, when it is a parallel to zx plane, always the zx plane is y is equal to k. Always remember, the required plane parallel to zx plane, always required plane. Required plane parallel to, remember, parallel to zx plane or xz plane. Parallel to xz plane is y is equal to k. This is a required plane parallel to xz plane is y is equal to k. But y-intercept is given 3. Y-intercept is equal to 3. That means here k is equal to 3. Therefore, equation of required plane is equation of required plane is, I can write, required plane is I can write y is equal to 3. Right. That's all. Y-intercept 3 and parallel to zx plane means y is equal to 3. This is a simple answer. Should be careful. Suppose they give x-intercept. X-intercept means they will give x-intercept, they will give means, and they given x means they may give yz plane. Then you will get x is equal to, it comes. See that, be careful this model. Simple problem, do it this one. Another one, 14th one. I hope you understood up to question number 13. Anyone have doubt, let me discuss with me. It's clear, I hope understood that. Another 10 more minutes I can complete the session. You can see now, when they have taken question number 14, a line passes through the point with the position vector is given and perpendicular to the plane. Find the equation of the line in Cartesian and vector forms. They are asking both Cartesian vector forms. This is simple here. Passing through with position vector, this point is A bar. And perpendicular to the plane means automatically the line pass with position perpendicular to the plane. So when you have taken perpendicular to the plane, so perpendicular to the plane means what happened here? This will give a required line drs will be normals of the plane, right? What are the drs of the normal? You can write drs of the normal. Drs of the normal equal to, it comes 3. Drs of, because these are bar at n cap is equal to 7. 3, 4 minus 5. 3, 4 minus 5 will be the drs of the normal. So same thing, drs of the given required line. With the required line line perpendicular to the given line. That means the required line parallel to the drs of the normal, right? It means the required line parallel to the normal. This is the drs of the normal. I wrote a drs of the normal. I have written here drs of the normal. The normal. So the required parallel to the, since the given line perpendicular to the given plane, that means now the given line, the required line parallel to the normal. So drs will be same, passing through this point. So the a bar is equal to I can write 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and b bar is equal to 3, 4 minus 5. When they are asking Cartesian vector form, so both again, what is the vector form I can write? So the vector form is r bar equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, where lambda is a scalar. So I can write r bar equal to, so 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda into, I can write 3i cap 4j cap 5k cap. You can write this 3, 4, 5. Simple, right? 3, 4, 5 can write here. I cap plus 4j cap 5k cap. This will be our required answer in vector form. They are asking Cartesian form. Passing the point 2 minus 3, 4, right? B bar, we know that 3, 4 minus 5. So because the point is here, x1, y1, z1 will be, it comes 2 minus 3, 4. And now we know the point b bar is 3, 4, ABC. So what is the Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a equal to, again Cartesian form. You can write Cartesian form. When the Cartesian form, when they are taking Cartesian form, that will be, can write x minus x1 by a equal to y minus 1 by b equal to, then this is a b here, z minus z1 by c. So I can write now the point 2 minus 3, 4. X minus 2 by, I can write 3. And y plus 3 by 4. Z minus 4 by 5. So this is the required answer, right? That will be the required answer. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. No, they are given 3, 4 minus 5 is given. You should be careful. Got doubt? Oh, 3, 4 minus 5. You should be careful. See, 3, 4 minus 5. So here you should correct this. Should be careful. 3, 4 minus 5. I can write this one minus 5. If you have done mistake, you should be careful. Minus 5. So obviously here also it goes minus, you can see here. Z minus 4 by minus 5. Be careful. When you are doing any problem, you should be careful. That is Cartesian form. Almost all the concepts are same I am doing now. You can see here 15th one. Find the value of lambda so that the lines are at right angles. Also find whether the lines are intersecting or not. Also find whether the lines are intersecting or not. This is the important model. Expected question, this one. I am expecting this question, important model also. See, when they are given like this, first verify the given lines are in the standard form or not. First verify the given lines must be in the standard form. Right, that you should verify. The given line must be in the standard form to solve this problem. Now just you can see now. When I am doing this, find the value of lambda so that the lines are at right angles. Also find whether the lines are intersecting or not. So the model is important. Write the standard form. This you can write this. If you write the standard form, what is the first equation? It becomes the standard form. Just verify the first equation. X, you take 1 minus x by 3. So take minus common. I can write x minus 1 by x minus 1 by 3 equal to, I can take it 7 common. So you can write y minus 2 by, I can write lambda by 7. And z minus 3 by 2. This is the first equation, right? We can write like this. Another equation I can write the second equation. So again I can take it minus 7 common. So it will correct. You can take it minus 7 common. It will come x minus 1 by 3 lambda by minus 7, right? I can write, be careful here, I can take it minus 7 common. 3 minus 3 lambda by 7. Correct? Again 7 minus 7x. The given 7 minus 7x, you take minus 7 common. Again write minus 3 lambda by 7. 7 which is equal to y minus 5 by 1, and which is equal to, take minus common, z minus 6 by minus 5. Now you can see here, when I have taken this one, here direction is I can write a1 b1 c1, which is going to get it 3 comma 11 by 7 comma 2. In this case a2 b2 c2. a2 b2 c2 means you will get 3 minus 3 lambda by 7 and 1 comma minus 5. Minus 3 lambda by 7 comma 1 comma minus 5. But we know that the lines are right angles. So the lines are right angles, or right angle means we have the property. Since the lines are right angles, I can write a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. If we use this formula, we can find the value of lambda. Check that now. a1 a2 b1 b2. 3 into multiply this. You will get 3 into minus 3 lambda by 7. X minus 1 by, should be careful here. Check that we got this one right. We will get, even I have taken a minus, this will be minus 3 also, you should be careful. So you should get minus 3. Minus 3 lambda by 7, 2. This is minus 3 lambda by 7, 1, minus 5. Now substitute in this. If we substitute here, you will get minus 3 into minus 3 lambda by 7, 9 lambda by 7, b1, b2. You will get this one again, right? My lambda by 7 into 1 plus lambda by 7 plus c1, c2. 2 into minus 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Correct. You will get 10 lambda by 7. You can see here I can write. This implies 10 lambda by 7 is equal to 10. Then this implies lambda is equal to 7. You will get lambda is equal to 7. Now the required lines are, when lambda is equal to 7, you replace lambda equal to 7. Now the given lines are, I can write x minus 1 by minus 3 equal to, put lambda equal to 7 means y minus 2 by 1 equal to z minus 3 by 2. I got this one line, and the second line it will be x minus 1 by, you will get minus 3 and y minus 5 by 1, which is equal to z minus 6 by minus 5. We have this one, right? Now they are asking whether the lines are intersecting or not. When the lines intersecting or not, I can verify one of the formula. When they are in the same plane, definitely either they should parallel or otherwise they should intersect. But you can see when they are not parallel, they should intersect. So in what way I consider this, I can write, you can use this condition. From this x1, y1, z1 I can write a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 we can write. Using that we can do that. What is x1, y1, z1 here? If we take x1, y1, z1 will be, we know that here this is 1, 2, 3. And here I can take x2, y2, z2. If we take x2, y2, z2, it will be 1, 5, 6. And a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, we know that. So if we take the determinant, I can take it x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. If we take this determinant value, if it is 0, then automatically the lines are intersecting. If it is not 0, definitely the lines they are not intersecting. You can see here, I can write, substitute this value x1 minus x2, 0, and y2 minus y1, 3, 6 minus 3, 0, 3, 3, substitute minus 3, 1, 2, and substitute this one, minus 3, 1 minus 5. A1, B1, A2, B2, C2. I should simplify this value. So you can see what about this value. If equal to 0, the lines are intersecting. If no, you will get not equal to 0 means the lines are not intersecting. Expand here. You should expand. Then you will get an idea about this. If you expand, you will get the answer right. Complete, you can expand the value, you can expand, you can expand this. I get 0 into, I can write 0 minus 3 into, expand the determinant, 15 plus 6, I can write plus 3 into, just I'm expanding the determinant, plus 3 into, we'll get minus 3 plus 3. So then it will be automatically minus 63, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can write lines are not intersecting. Therefore, we can write lines are not intersecting. Lines are not intersecting. If it is 0, lines are intersecting. So lines are not intersecting. Lines are not intersecting, that is important. Can verify. Lines are not intersecting. I hope you understood this up to question number 15. Does anyone have doubt up to question number 15? Is it clear? Tanish Karyavaras. It's clear? Up to question number 15. I'm going to explain question number 16. I hope you understood this. Fine then. You see that question number 16. Find the vector equation of the line joining 1, 2, 3 and minus 3, 4, 3 and show that it is perpendicular to z-axis. The given pass joining 1, 2, 3 and 3 minus 3, 4, 3. The given that point. That means I can write this is the one point and this is another point. So the and perpendicular to z-axis. I should draw this. Suppose you take this is A bar, this is B bar. If we take A bar is equal to minus 3, 4, 3. And B bar is equal, if I take, sorry, A bar is 1, 2, 3. I will write one of the point I can write. B bar equal to minus 3, 4, 3. Passing these points I can write the vector equation R bar A bar plus lambda into B bar I can write. The vector passing through these points means vector equation will be R bar equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. B bar minus A bar. If you use this formula, I can write now. You can see now. What is A bar here? I cap, 2j cap, 3k cap plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. Minus 3, you will get B bar minus A bar. Minus 3 minus 1. You can check the minus 4 I cap and 4 minus 2 plus 2j cap and 3 minus the 0k cap plus 0k, you will get like this. So this is we know vector equation. R bar equal A bar plus lambda B bar minus A bar vector equation. They're asking show that it is perpendicular to the z-axis. Perpendicular to the z-axis. So just because equation of z-axis is, we will consider equation of z-axis. I think equation of z-axis. If you take equation z-axis, you will get z-axis means you will z equal z-axis is r bar equal to some constant into k cap. The t is a scalar, t into k cap. But you can see here, the line I'm going to show that they're asking here. This is line 2, line 1. We'll verify whether the perpendicularity condition will verify. Apply the dot product between these two. If apply the dot product, if it is 0, we can say the given line perpendicular to the z-axis. If apply the dot product, this is t I have written, t into k cap, t is a scalar. If apply the dot product, you can see here what will be this, now I can write. Correct, because here there is no k cap, I cap 0, I cap and component of I cap is 0, component of j cap 0. If apply the dot product, only you will get minus 4 I cap plus 2 j cap, you will get dot k cap. You will get dot k cap equal to 0, right? Obviously you will get this one. When I am using, if you rearrange the r bar, z-axis I am using from 1 into 2. From 1 into 2. Check that. What can I apply here? If I apply this, applying the dot product, apply the dot product. So this is a k cap here. Correct, because r bar I can rearrange. What is the coefficient you will get? I cap is 1 minus 1 minus, you will get 1 minus 4 lambda, right? This one 1 minus 4 lambda I cap, and this one 2 plus 2 lambda j cap, correct, plus 3 k cap it comes, right? Because you are using the dot product, I am using this one, right? If I apply that, automatically you get 4 I cap plus 2 j cap dot k cap will be 0. If we compare, that will be easy. Or instead of doing this, I can take parallel to this, I can verify that only. So I can avoid this one. Instead of doing this from 1 into 2, I can from 1 into this one you can consider, because this given vector is parallel to this. And this vector parallel to this. And equation of z-axis is this. To verify this, I can write now minus 4 I cap plus 2j cap dot k cap. If we consider this always 0, right? If we use dot k cap, always 0. Therefore, line 1 always is perpendicular to z-axis. Is perpendicular to z-axis. Perpendicular to z-axis. Line 1 is perpendicular to z-axis. Because this is the vector. Parallel to this is the vector. Take the apply dot k cap. It will be 0, right? Minus 4 I cap 2 j dot k cap always 0. So line 1 is perpendicular to z-axis. Simple problem. Now 17th one. Concept is simple, but you should understand that. Question number 17. Find the coordinates of the put of the perpendicular drawn from a point A184 and to the line joining the points B0 minus 1 3 and C2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1. See, this is the important model, most important one. This one, most important one. Expected question, this one. You can see, they think about when they are asking this one. I can write put up the perpendicular about they are saying here. That's you can think. I'm expecting to come like this. Suppose if we take this on this line, let it be, this is perpendicular. Consider this a perpendicular line. This is a rough diagram. Let it be perpendicular line. You can think I didn't draw the exactly perpendicular. You can use a scale. But they are asking consider this is perpendicular line. This is the given point BC. So B point is 0, minus 1, 3, and C point is given 2, 3, 2 minus 3, 1 is given. So they are asking the point A184. This is the point A184. But I should find, let it be, this is D, the point D. So we are going to find the point D now. Put up the perpendicular. That point you should find here. Correct. You see here, what I do now to find D here, put up the perpendicular, D is the put of the, let D be the put of the perpendicular. Let D be the model is important. Let D be the foot of the perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular. You take that, let D be the foot of the perpendicular. But we will find equation of BC passing through B and C. What is the equation of BC? 2 points is given. So I can write DRs, you can write this one. The given equation of BC is, we can write x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. I can use this concept, right? You can find x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. You take this. Now you can find equation of BC. It will be the foot of the perpendicular. Equation of BC I have written. Now you can find, you can write the value of this. Correct. Now you can see equation of BC I can write x minus x1 by x minus 0 by x2 minus x1. It will be 2. X minus 0 by 2. It comes right. X minus 0 by 2 equal to y plus 1 by y2 minus y1. Minus 3 you can do. It will be minus 2. And z minus z1. Z minus 3 by minus 4. It comes like this. Correct? You will get y, because the point is the given 2 minus 3 minus 1. This point is minus 1. It is minus 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Correct. We get this point. Now using this point, I can write any equation of the line. See, they are given like this, any point. Even direction, because I can simplify this. X by 2, I can write x by 1 equal to y plus 1 by minus 1. But direction ratios are proportional. Z minus 3 by minus 2, I can make like this. Now using this, let it be lambda. I can find general point on this line. So let it be is equal to lambda. What is the general point? It comes x is equal to lambda, y is equal to minus lambda minus 1. Correct. We will get minus lambda minus 1. And z is equal to, you will get minus 2 lambda plus 3. Minus 2 lambda plus 3. So this is any point on the line BC. Even D is a point on the line BC, D can be considered as like this. So D can be considered as, let D is equal to, you can consider D is equal to, you write lambda comma minus lambda minus 1 comma 3 minus 2 lambda. You take let D is like this. Now can you find DRs of BD now? Because AD is a DRs of AD perpendicular to BC. What are the DRs of AD? You can find direction ratios. You can find direction ratios of AD. DRs of AD, if we take DRs of AD, if we consider, then what it comes now? You know the point A is 184. If we simplify this one, lambda minus 1 and minus lambda minus lambda minus 9, and here it comes 3 minus 2 lambda 184 minus 4 means it comes now. Correct, the value can write minus 2 lambda minus 1 minus 2 lambda minus 1. It comes like this, right? These are the values. But AD perpendicular to BC. Since AD perpendicular to BC, again it since AD perpendicular to BC, then I can write A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, Z equal to 0. Consider this one A1, B1, C1. And we know DRs of the line 2 minus 2 minus 4. If we consider this, I can write now. Correct. DRs of this line is A1, A1, B1, C1. This is A2, B2, C2. If we understood here, if we consider here, I can write A1, B1, C1 is equal to, you can write 1 minus 1 minus 2. This is nothing but you write A2, B2, C2. You can A2, B2, C2 you can consider. Since AD perpendicular to BC, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. If I use this condition, I can multiply now. Lambda minus 1 into minus 1. Lambda minus, we can multiply this all. 1 into lambda minus 1. Correct. Plus minus 1 into minus lambda minus 9. Then minus 2 into, you will get minus 2 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Now you simplify, it comes lambda minus 1 plus lambda plus 9 plus 4 lambda plus 2 equal to 0. You simplify. Check that what it comes now. 4 lambda, 5, 6 lambda. 6 lambda equal to 8 plus 2, 10. Minus 10. So this will be lambda equal to minus 5 by 3. We got lambda equal to minus 5 by 3. Now substitute in the direction, because you have taken D value lambda, we got it. Therefore D is equal to the point 3 That is the put of the perpendicular. D equal to minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 3 minus 1. You can check that. Minus 5 by 3, correct, minus 1. What comes when you are finding this one? Minus 5 by 3 minus 1. So minus 8 by 3 you are getting this one. Substitute the values lambda equal to minus 5 by 3 in the point of D. You have taken letter D equal to lambda minus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 3. Substitute in the values, you can find that. If you substitute minus lambda minus 1, right, you can verify that. That will be, yes, minus lambda minus 1 minus 5 by 3 minus 1. It will come minus 8 by 3. Correct. Now you are getting a difference, right? Because this is a minus 5 by 3, you should be careful. So the simplification, when I got minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 3 means 5 lambda, 5 by 3 minus 1. You will get a 2 by 3, you are getting 2 by 3, should be careful. 2 by 3 and 19 by 3. So this is our required answer. D is the put of the perpendicular. Important model, most important one. Expected question 99%, 99.99 expected question. But the last problem. With this I am going to complete the session. This is the last problem now. Today's session I am going to complete. This will be the last problem. See now how to find that. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Shortest distance between the lines they are asking. Shortest distance between the lines. So here when they are asking short between the lines, from the line 1 I can write. From this line 1 I can write A1 bar. Because we can define what is A1 bar, I can write. Here A1 bar I can write this one from the equation. Because they are given. I can rearrange this equation. After I can write all that. So what I can do that? First I will rearrange the equation. This equation I can write R bar equal to the first equation. Here t plus 1 I cap means we can write this is I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap plus t into, I can write t into I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Correct. From this equation I can write A1 bar equal to 1 to 1 I can write. In the vector form I can write I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. B1 bar equal to I cap minus j cap plus k cap at the B1 bar. Right. So next you take the second equation. So second equation again, R bar equal to, if we rearrange this one, it comes 2I cap minus j cap, you get 2k cap, you will get minus k cap, 2I cap, you will get minus j cap, minus k cap, plus s into, we take it s into, we can write 2I cap, s into 2I cap, you will get plus j cap, you will get plus 2k cap. Now you can see here. Here we can say A2 bar equal to 2I cap minus j cap minus k cap. And B2 bar equal to 2I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Correct. To find distance, shortest distance between two, these are the two skew lines. To find shortest distance, I can write this one. You can see now. B1 bar B2. What is A2 bar minus A1 bar? If we take it A2 bar minus A1 bar, again A2 bar minus A1 bar. Model is important. Just practice this. A2 bar minus A1 bar. To take difference of this, it will come A2 bar minus A1 bar. A2 bar minus A1 bar. It will be I cap and minus j minus 2 minus 3j cap and minus k cap minus 2k cap. This will be A2 bar minus A1 bar. The same to find shortest distance, to find B1 bar cross B2 bar. B1 bar cross B2 bar is required. And B1 bar cross B2 bar. If we take this one, I cap, j cap, k cap, and I have taken this. So you write B1 bar cross B2 bar, I can write 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, you find this 2, 1, 2. Yeah, you find this vector, it will be, I can write this one, minus 2, correct, minus 1, to minus 3 I cap, and minus j cap is 0 j cap, k cap means 1 plus 2, 3 k cap. We will get this one, B1 plus B2 bar. Even I can use now, mod B1 bar plus B2 bar also is required. What is mod B1 bar cross B2 bar, magnitude of this? If we take root of, this is 9 plus 9, root 18, 9 to 3 root 2. You find this. Even to apply for B1 bar cross B2 bar dot A2 bar minus A1 bar is required. You find that also, because that the formula is required. You can write B1 bar cross now you can see, now I can write B1 bar cross B2 bar dot A2 bar minus A1 bar. Use this, use dot product of this one and this, it comes minus 3, so the dot product, and this is 3 minus 9, it comes, you can see here, minus A2 bar minus A1 bar, B1 bar cross B2 bar, or this is 3k cap, it comes minus 6, it will be minus 9. Now therefore shortest distance is equal to, we know all the values, write the shortest distance is equal to, I can write shortest distance equal to, what the formula here I can write, I can write B1 bar cross B2 bar dot A2 bar minus A1 bar by mod B1 bar cross B2 bar right. If you apply that formula, I can write this one. This dot product we got, this is minus, mod is there. Mod minus 9 will get mod minus 9 by B1 bar plus B2 bar. You got, this will be 3 root 2, you will get right, 3 root 2. So this will be 3 by root 2. 3 by root 2 it comes. If you raise a 3 root 2 by 2 units, this is equal to 3 root 2 by 2 units. That will be the final answer. This model is important one. Don't be you practice this. Put up the perpendicular and this problem expected question. These are the important models. I hope with this I have completed the session. Anyone have doubt about this problem? You can ask me. I can explain again the shortest distance between two lines. As a practice, this is important one. You can practice. Anyone have doubt? You can ask me. I can explain again. Yeah. Good, Tanish. With patience you have attended is good. Then bite. See you then. Fine. See you then tomorrow. It's good. You can do it all the problems. Tomorrow I will do the next level. Yeah, next level I am going to do that. Fine. Thank you, the Lucky Kumar. Thank you. Fine then. See you the next tomorrow. Fine then. Bye bye. So tomorrow I will discuss three-dimensional geometry part 2 questions. In that I am going to include exemplar questions also. Then it completes. Student, tomorrow's session if you follow, definitely you are able to solve the problems in three-dimensional. No doubt in that. Thank you. Good night.